Made shrimp fried rice in this 12-inch stainless steel pan and it turned out so good. I added shrimp, rice, eggs, soy sauce, and veggies, and everything cooked evenly without sticking. I love how fast the pan heats up, how sturdy it feels, and how easy cleanup was after. No more scraping the pan to go ahead and take off what was cooked. Definitely one of my favorite pans for a quick homemade meal. This is definitely worth adding to your kitchen. Don't miss out.